Hey, hi guys, good evening. So let's start a new topic. So today topic is TCP IP rail communications like as a React and nodes and also the we are using also the MongoDB database. So means real time TCP IP means like as you know ki you have any communication device, so any thumb machines, biometrics machine, any like as any robotic also you have machines, so any like as a blood testing also that you have an instrument. So how to communication to your web application या backend. So how to transfer data on a machine to on your machine to transfer on your websites. Okay, so there is multiple way. So you can create a desktop application, you can create a web application, otherwise you can create a mobile application. So there is one here is one record. So you create a web application, then directly do not communicate to your device and your web application. Okay, so there is middleware is coming to in pictures coming to is node.js, otherwise you create a any tools. So you creating any desktop application, directly you connect it to your instrument to and your desktop application. But web is because there is running on browser inside, so browser don't understand ki which IP address on hitting the specific port and IP address getting the message like as a socket through. Here there is multiple we are using method like as a TCP, UDP, HTTP also we are using, but right now we are covering TCP IP. So there is third party library also available is net. Okay, net is means like as a you net through on TCP IP getting the response is server is connected not connected we are checking also. And then once this connection is established, then your instrument is sending data, and React is listening ki which data is getting. And after that here is we are once all the data is getting, then hold the array pushing to the on MongoDB side. Okay, MongoDB side, MongoDB specific collection insert the data, and after that is MongoDB is another service we are using Realm. Okay, Realm is I will explain you what is a Realm. Realm means like as a your real time communication. So any data is getting specific collection, then you front end side every time is listening, watching is listening, and you are execute the any operation insert delete update search, and then your real time communication means like as a similar to lambda similar, you know also AWS lambda. So is watcher similar, multiple way we are available. Another also I already created one video, Firebase. Okay, real time database using Firebase, you can check also those one. But there is one limitation, we are using a free Firebase account, so there is limited data we can upload and React front end and site serving. So I will adding this video also description, you can check also this video. But there is this issue is avoiding using a MongoDB. So machine is sending data, we are getting the TCP IP and uh, storing on again MongoDB. Then MongoDB is there is real time database getting, and React.js is updating the showing the updated data. So firstly I will show you output, and then we will discuss one by one feature. Means like as a firstly we are using backend side, which tool is using, how to handling, how to machine data reading. Then we will discuss also React front end side code. Okay, and lastly we are also the MongoDB side, so how to realm create a services, how to configuration. So this is video creating is very big, so you can watch end to end, because end to end step is very important, then you understand better way. So yeah, So let's start step by step. So firstly I will running the node, okay, is local side all the, and after that I will running also the react code. Yeah, react also run. And so you consider this is a any your like as a this is a instrument. Consider here is like a I will show you my current IP address. So you go to your Wi-Fi setting, and here is detail we are right now, we are IP address is 190.160.1.3. your currently is IP address. This IP address using we can communicate your the node and wave, okay. So this is is one tool. So for the testing the your TCP UDP. So here is we are putting the your IP address, here is passing the port numbers, also we are passing TCP IP UDP SLC, multiple we can available here. You can use a mostly we are use machine or biometrics machine, we are using TCP. You know also TCP IP means list acknowledgement passing, sending acknowledge. This TCP IP is properly data is received or not received. So UDP IP means one way communication, not a two way communication. So once send is send, don't acknowledgement like this. So mostly we are using TCP IP. Yeah, and here we are added like these. Just I will show you uh, test, okay. So just a second, here is we are using yeah, so test, and after that yeah, test 2, consider test 1, okay. So here is coming to test and test 1. So test here is also the IP address here, port number and which table, and here is some data is passing like this one, okay. And after that also two pass at a time we are firing like it's a machine is at a time is sequentially sending the data one, okay. So we are this is backend is running, okay, and this is front end running. So yeah, okay. So here is communication, TCP IP communication is selected, and host IP communication side, like as here you can enter the your host IP address. Here you click on your the port. So I click on connect, so your connection is established. See, connection successfully established, okay. And I through using TCP IP sending the data to machine. So here is we are using logic. So data is sending to firstly node.js is listening, okay. Data is getting, then updating on backend side on MongoDB side, and MongoDB is a realm through showing the front end side. So I click on firstly this one and this one. See, this is front end, and yeah, data is showing like this is also data is showing, time is showing, data is coming to like this, and end of the your data. So like this we are also the some decryption, replacing decryption, encryption decryption we are algorithm we are using and showing the properly data. So yeah, this is your TCP IP communication. So communication to react front end, okay. So I will show you backend code. So using node.js, which library we are using. So firstly we are using firstly net, okay. So here is net record net. After that event is important, and here is your database communication. So only the MongoDB connected, okay. So here is we firstly initialization your event name, okay. So after that if you click on connect button, okay, if you connect button, so we are using GraphQL, okay. GraphQL through specific mutation calling, okay, mutation is calling, and there is this mutation. Okay, here is mutation is calling connect host communication. There is service is calling, okay, resolver calling, resolver inside service is calling. Here is getting the type is TCP, and after that here is net dot create server. Okay, after that database also initialization means like a database is connected. After that is listening. Okay, server dot listening payload, here passing your port number and host name. After server is connected, okay, server is started like this showing, and IP address also showing like as this IP address are connected. And after that is if any error come, then also the event is called key true false. Okay, after this is important, server dot on connection. Okay, function here. After that is socket dot set encoding, means like as a multiple way encoding machine. Some machine is ASCII format and encoded, some machine is multiple way are available, so but some mostly we are using ASCII format. So after that is socket dot data means like as a machine is sending 11111 data to the your server. After that here listening, and after we are getting like as a JSON stringify. After date is adding like this. Okay, so this is date. Okay, yeah. And after that is data is concatenated replace like this one stx r for g for like this. Okay, so see here is actually logically c, but right now his is pocket sender is actually 4 time 0, that's the reason is not replaced. Okay, not problem. So yeah, your machine through data is absolutely working, but statically pocket through is not working. Okay, is testing for VR display. After that here is parsing JSON, here is JSON string away JSON parsing, and also the split showing the split wise array. Also the don't end of the empty array added, so we are using a filter. After that we are receive message, so like as is showing the receive message. See here rcv say, means like as your instrument is sending, and we are send the like as a acknowledgement to the instrument. Here node.js to sending the instrument, and we are socket dot write. So this is and here is event is calling push TCP IP message. So here is event emitter dot on TCP IP message on. Inside is we are creating globally let TCP IP message, and inside event through pushing 111 message. Okay, so multiple like as a machine 111 message 11. After that like as here is one condition is added. So after that multiple array is available, so multiple array to convert to single array, then here we are using flat one passing. Okay, after that the final message same, means array inside we are checking key EOT is available, means you are up to date, means like as instrument is all the messages sending to your server. So after that here is storing on backends MongoDB side. So db dot like as a TCP IP model. So TCP IP is a collection we are creating, and here is create and passing IP address, port, message, document type, and the date of the entry. After that here is 2 times showing. So this logic is because, so we are front end side showing and immediately deleting the specific record, because duplication is not required, only origin data is important. Duplicate is not, duplication for only the storing and showing the storing MongoDB, showing front end side. Once the front end side is displayed, then duplicate record is removed. So as your knowledge we can implement. If you only single, then front end side don't remove the records. okay, because MongoDB is showing the history of how many instrument connected, which instrument is passing to data. Okay, this is, and after that is empty the message. This is backend side logic. Okay, so this is backend side all end to end. So we are displaying in front end side. So front end side we are firstly which library you are using, like as a realm web for the communication your MongoDB to web, so real time communication. Okay, after that use effect inside one function is calling get TCP to data. So here is firstly constant app id. Okay, we will also the replace another, so don't this is I will changing the id. And after that the configuration create id app id, here is a time set out. So some case you directly assigning here, but maybe your in case key local on working on realm web, but after you deploying on production or development or staging, then after that is not working, so always recommended you can pass the timeout. Okay, so after that here is asynchronously user is created, means any user we can access the your MongoDB collection. And here is login, that after that is const MongoDB is equal to app.current user MongoDB clients. So collection inside of which database and which collection you can prepare. Okay, any this collection inside any operation is you doing, like as a insert update delete search filter, then automatically your collection is working. Okay, after that again here is see we are firstly is calling login, and also the here is calling required login two times. And after that this is very important for await constant change of collection dot watch. Okay, this collection dot on watch means like as on collection inside any operation is doing changing, then this function is calling executable. So here is change dot operation type insert, and change dot document type dot sorry full document dot document type is duplicate, because we are insert two at a time record. If firstly is origin, second is duplicate. And then your business logic, like as a your store on your redux part, otherwise mobile state and global state, and then your render is reload, otherwise local state you can assign the your array object and show the front end side client side like this. And after that here we are, yes, very important, this is we are creating a realm inside functions. So here is all data await user dot function dot which function name TCP IP communication, so getting the function through data. And after that here also the user dot function TCP IP delete record. I will show also the MongoDB site. So this is very writing the functions, and here also passing the IP address, port, and document type. This is the deleting, and this is the getting. Once the data is getting, and show your the updating on show on your front end side. Okay, this is your front end side code. So I explain you back end, I explain you front end. Yeah, right now we are going to MongoDB side. Yeah, MongoDB is open, so you click on app service. So app service there is firstly this is a realm symbol. Okay, so you already I created, so you firstly not created, so you can create app service like as a, your app service name means realm name, also the we assigning the religions. Mostly we are using AWS, and we nearby you can select your the server, like as a we are in my nearby is AWS and Mumbai location, so I selected on Mumbai. So you can select your the region, and also the you can your app name, and also the select region your once app service is creating, then you're going to here. Okay, so firstly you can connect your realm using CLI, multiple documentation available, you can check step by step. So something very important firstly is role. Okay, and here see here is you getting the your app id. So I display on front end side like as app id. So you click on here, then you are getting the app id. So all the here is showing the all the database. So we are creating rule for specific collection on. So I created one yeah, TCP IPs. TCP IP, I created the read, write, all the routes. So also the read, write and search. You can create also another rules like as here we can create also create all and add like this. Okay, but I already created, so I don't create. And after that you creating role. So here is showing the ready for deploy. Also important, ready for deploy. Once any changes on role, then again you save and also the ready for dev. Okay, so after that here is all the SDK, Realm SDK, like as you can Node.js site to how to execute Node.js sites. So you can directly communication website, then also the React web also available, how to connect to web means like you can also the without Node.js React to MongoDB communication also connected using the Realm. Okay, it's very also good feature provided in MongoDB. Okay, so this is completed, I told you. And after that is important is function. So you can also GraphQL to communication triggers also, but we are using function. So here is we creating function. And also I will show firstly TCP IP connection. So I display on front end side. So he see here, yeah, TCP IP communication. So here is TCP IP communication. So here export functions argument is passing let collection is equal to constant.service.get. Also the which library is using MongoDB atlas db dot which database dot collection, which collection we are using, and retain collection dot find. Also the IP address front end side is passing IP address, port number also passing, and document side. So I display here. Yeah, see here is IP address, port and document type. Also deleting for also creating one more functions. So deleting records also the here similar, but here is collection dot delete many IP address, port and document type similar. So front end side this is important on change. So backend is any data is coming and event is calling, event once calling the here is db dot create. So after that is here is insert is calling. Okay, operation means like as insert, insert is doing, then your operation is starting means we multiple insert, delete, search, filter, update, multiple operation available, but we write your customized code and we will display the showing the front end side. Yeah, I hope you understand fully code. So see here is connected and show also the Node.js side. So like as I will show you also here multiple collection available. So we are display on TCP IP. See here is TCP IP and here collection like this your IP address showing, port number, message, document type, and here message is showing the JSON stringify. After that is front end is receive data, then you can JSON parse and showing the on the your table on, otherwise your text field or like this. So yeah, I hope you understand end to end. So if you any queries, so real-time communication, how to react node react MongoDB using Realm, so then please ping me, I will help you. I will free time. Okay, I have free time. So and also comment me ki how to is very good we are making, and any related query then also ping me, I will definitely help you. So thank you guys, share, and also more important subscribe also channel. Yeah, thank you, bye bye.